2024 Marvel Annual 4-box random letter number 6. 8 times the dice of hard 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the ocho. I know your point, and I agree with it, but it was also done differently in the first place, because what they did was they broke down the combo spots, so there were more characters in there anyway. It was like a double whammy, in my opinion. The bounty was also in there though, so it was different. The bounty adds the heat. That was, I think, the whole point of the idea in the first place. What the? The bounty was a really good idea. I think that those randoms would have worked if we had done them by the 3-boxer instead of the full case. It was just too expensive by the full case. If that was $15 a spot, yeah, I agree, Karen. Too many spots for a break. I don't know. I didn't love the idea in the first place, but maybe $15 a spot instead of $60, doing 3-boxers of it or something? I don't know. Bad Boys for life. How about one of my favorite lines ever from any of the Bad Boys movie is, "That's a big fucking fish." Yeah, I agree, Karen. Everything you're saying, I agree with it. When it comes to the big break like that, look at Henry go. King Henry, he's a monster. A monster. Well. Here we are. It's time for 4 boxes of the annual. Oh, he's going deep. Oh, and he's got his man. Oh, he's got his man. Oh, goodness gracious. I swear to God, I think I've drafted Bateman like every year he's been in the league, and then all of a sudden this year I don't draft him. There he goes. You know, there's that man. You can try to trade, AJ. AJ wants the H spot. Who's got the H? TJK is out there. TJK, any interest in trading the H spot with AJ for his PC? He'll give you one of his spots. He's got a whole bunch of spots for you to pick from. I would imagine there's a spot that might pique your interest, TJK. No way. Iwasi one spot at the S spot with the Karam Karma. That's the Karam Karma if I've ever seen it. Henry, yeah. Arthur Smith shouldn't even have a job. Isn't Arthur Smith with the, where is he now? With the Bears, right? Well, no, hold on. Arthur Smith, where's the Arthur Smith? He's with, I'm blanking out. They already played the Falcons this year. Where's Arthur Smith? Oh, that's right, the Steelers, of course. I'm so stupid. He's so bad, Arthur Smith. His dad owns FedEx, right? It's the only reason he has it. No, yeah, I know. I know all about it. I just blanked out for a second, Karen. TJK, are you out there? Do you want to trade with AJ? He wants the H spot. Tomlin sucks. I'm not a Tomlin guy, Dexter. But he sure beat my ass the other day. He is a winner. Touchdown, Lamar. Hoo! Flag. It's the Lamarathon. It's the Lamarathon. Holding offense. No. I'm guessing Hulk. I have no idea. I haven't looked at the checklist that close. I haven't opened enough of this stuff. Is Hulk an annual? I don't know, probably, no. Oh, Karam, you're funny. I would assume he's an annual. I have no idea. I forgot. Who just scored that? Justice Hill? Kill me now. I could check the checklist. I did check the checklist when I originally put together the combo spots. But it's been a minute. I know nobody's has Hill. This is terrible. What does he own tonight on the 2-game slate? He's probably owned like not at all. I know, right, April? He's such a fraud. TJK! TJK asked you what your PC is. He's willing to potentially make a trade. What's your PC for the H spot? He's trying to help you. Help me. Help you. I mean, statistically, he's a winner. I'm just personally not a believer in him. But I get it. The stats, the numbers speak for themselves. Hulk is an annual. Stop it, CP. That makes no sense. What do you mean average? He's either a winner or he's not. Steve B's just stirring the pot over here. I love the stickers in this stuff. That's my favorite. The stickers are awesome. I'm actually potentially a buyer on some stickers here. Oh, Hulk is his PC, yeah. TJK, are there any of AJ's spots that you would want to trade for? M spot. AJ, if you want, he'll do H for M. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know. It was just all, he got carried by that defense for like a decade. Who's that? Who's number 44? Oh, that's Tucker. What about Roethlisberger? Damn, what is that? Yeah, Tucker's not bad. I just didn't know what number he was. Wow, he got tripped. How is that not a flag? What the hell? Did he just fall? Oh, he dropped it. Couldn't hold on. Damn, April, tell us how you really feel. AJ, do you want to trade the M spot for the H spot? TJK is asking you, since you said the H spot was your PC piece with Hulk, if you want to trade M for H. You got to decide before we start the break. And I'll change it on the spreadsheet, otherwise we're going to continue. Let me know before we start. Baker, that looked like an interception. That's because it is. That's because it is. It really is, man. I mean, they're playing, Karam. They're slinging it, bro. The ball's moving both ways. There's the interception, there's turnovers, there's points. Did you, Henny? You did, didn't you? That's frightening. That honestly was a good, that would have been good. That's smart. Henny's really smart. That would have been a really sharp bet. Henny's probably just joking, but in all seriousness, that actually would have been a really good bet. AJ. Aaron, if you're there, we need you to decide whether or not you want to trade. Otherwise, we got to start showing. Sorry for the delay, but we do need an answer. I think TJK is just trying to do you a favor, so you got to let me know. win. Your Bucks are winning 10-7. You want to trade the M spot for the H spot? I'm going to give it like 30 more seconds, then I'm just going to start showing the cards. Another one. DJ Khaled, Jose. Another one. Oh, okay, cool. There we go. There he is. Whoop, there he is. Sorry, Aaron. Make sure you're... Sorry, I didn't know if you guys were live or not. My apologies, Aaron. Everybody make sure you're live. I just reprinted it out. Good luck. I'm glad that we were able to work that out so people can go hunting for their PC. Let's see. Can I make this? I sure can. 2 points. Actually, that was a 3. That was from downtown. From downtown. It's good. He's on fire. Yes. Remember me. Remember me when I'm gone. Says TJK. All right, here we go. It's Captain America Cold War. Captain America Cold War. Talon on the canvas, the UD canvas. What's the number? Oh, tier 2. There's a tier 4 that we like. We like tier 4s. Guardians of the Galaxy, number 1 spot. And then we have a numbered of Chasm. Let's see what this is numbered to. Numbered to 299. Chasm, Dark Web. Our first numbered piece. I think this goes to the C spot, no? Chasm. MJ. That's our first numbered hit. Summer of Symbiotes, Black Fang. And then Hellcat on the tier 3, black and white canvas. Sharon Carter, Captain America Gold. Emma on the tier 1, black and white. We are getting Marvel Sapphire Jasper, but only a couple cases because it's too expensive right now. And then we're going to wait for it to come down in price, and we're going to get more because we think it's going to come down in price a little bit. So we're just kind of getting like a case, maybe 2. It's on its way. It'll be here hopefully in like a week. And then when it comes down, we're going to get more. Sin Sinister John. Oh my goodness. You guys see that? Look at that. It's an auto. The cover artist. Creator's Corner. There we go. John Romita Jr., the cover artist, Daredevil number 1. With the auto. Is it Ramana or Amita? I have no idea, Jose. Are we talking about Damon or Daddy Rips? That's really cool. What does it say in our description for how we handle the artists? Where is it? What does this say on the checklist? It's probably going to go to the J spot, I would think, for the guy's name. But we would need to see what it is in the checklist. I would assume this goes to the J spot for Sublime, but I'm not 100% sure. Have we hit an auto out of annual yet? Oops, sorry. Is this our first auto out of annual? Summer of Symbiotes. Suspended animation of $3.99 of Ghost Rider. I love these cards. The G spot we found at MJ. Second number hit for you. Ms. Marvel in the Tier 1 black and white. It's either goes to D for Daredevil or it goes to J for John. I'm not sure what it is on the checklist. I can look, but Bucky Barnes on the Silver Sparkle, and then X23. X marks the spot to $4.99 going to the Marine Corps on a heater today. Star Rookies of Rasputin. Daredevil Tier 1. Sin Sinister. White Wolf there on the Tier 4 black and white canvas. I know, so when we have it like that, then we do it based on the checklist. Ms. Marvel on the unnumbered. I thought it was numbered, so I prepared to sleeve it. We don't need to. MODOK, he's numbered, $4.99. The M spot, TJK. I would think it goes to the artist. We probably should have specified in the description. That's my fault. I'm the one that set this break up in the store, but I'll take a look at it when I'm done. Hexfinder. MODOK on the Silver Sparkle. Hunter's Moon Tier 3. We have a sticker behind the X23. Sentinel. The S spot. Iwasi. Gets the backscatter sticker. I think those things are so freaking cool. Actually, I'm a buyer on those stickers. Clobberin' Time. And then Toth to $4.99. The T spot. We love Miss Stanton. There it's Toth again. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Do, 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 do. Okay. If somebody wants to link me to the checklist, or I can take a look at it myself afterwards. Captain America, the C spot to $4.99. Storm on the T1 black and white canvas. That is a sweet card. Ms. Marvel to TJK in the M spot to 23. The hologram. Hologram to 23. Miles on the Silver Sparkle. Darcy. Beelum. Is that Beelum? Or Bedlam, excuse me. I can't pronounce his name. Bedlam to $2.99. I should know better. The B spot. BC. B is for BC. Echo. Thor on the sticker for Iwasi. No. For TJK. T is for Thor. T is not for sticker. Wolverine. Sorry. Wolverine on the W. Black and white canvas. Star-Lord to $6.99, I think. Yeah. That's an S spot Iwasi suspended animation hit. Eve Warlock, Tier 4 black and white on the Eve for the E spot. America, Captain America, Magic. My name is Jeff. Symbiotes, there's the Dead on the Tier 4 black and white. Colossus, Tier 3. Elektra, Tier 2. Cyclops. Echo to $4.99. I think that's a dupe. Sage. Psylocke, Tier 1. Halfway through. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, they're like the Spidey No Way Home in terms of like that paper thin-esque. All right, good luck. Here we go. Let's continue. Let's continue. Professor X Tier 3. Anna. Merit in Tier 4, black and white. Black Cat, and then Jean Grey, the J spot, gets to $4.99. Fang. Dr. Who was that? Dr. Stasis in the Tier 3. Pandora. Peters. Carnage on the sticker. That's a really cool one. MJ. That's a very cool sticker. I love the stickers personally. They're like actual stickers. They're really cool. That's kind of probably my favorite in the product. There's Spider-Man in the symbiote. Okay. And then Gold Goblin to $2.99. Gold Goblin. G-Spot Amj. Another numbered card for you. Tier 4 there on the Hex Finder. Black and white. Mary Jane Watson. There's Joseph to $4.99. Rec Rap. That's cool. People love that. People love Rec Rap here at the Blaze. Spider-Boy Star Rookies. Hallows Eve Tier 3. Madeline Pryor. Wow, that's numbered super low. I didn't see it. I had to check the back of it to notice. Because they have like a different color foil. That is black foil to $25. The M spot. TJK. On the trade. I'm sorry, AJ. Madeline Pryor. Still have hitting you some really good cards, but the M spot is definitely hitting hard. Gets the nice dark web. Are any of those symbiotes anti-venom or agent venom? I don't know. I would assume so. There's Jeff the Land Shark on that symbiote. Misty Knight. Suspended animation of Sentinel. S spot for Iwasi. Nomad on the Tier 4 black and white. N spot. N spot going to Amj. Loki on the Tier 2. We're not, right? Under was a good one, huh? Under was a good bet in that game. Craven, the Spider Hunter on the symbiote there. Blade, Tier 3, and then Magic to, I think, $2.99. Yeah. On the dark web. break. Hunter's Moon to $4.99. Shadowcat to $1.99. Iwasi in the S spot. Take it all, Iwasi. Scarlet Witch on the Silver Sparkle. 1710, huh? What is this? Chasm on the tier 3, and then Shadowcat for Iwasi in the S spot on the sticker. Lord Ennui. Meritus. Mr. Sinister. See, this is a good color here. Wong. The W spot for MJ gets the gold to 88. We sprinkled a little Complain Mojo on our dish, and we got a good card. $38 of 88 on the Golden Wong. The gold linear? I can't even pronounce that word. AJ. At least AJ's got a good sense of humor. Scythia. Agent Venom. There's Agent Venom on the symbiote. You asked if Agent Venom was in there? There's Agent Venom on the symbiote. She-Hulk. And then to close it off here. Dun, dun, dun. A Green of Talon to $4.99. Venom Blood on the Summer of Symbiote. Vision. Spidey. Rasputin. Tier 4 black and white. And a green of beautiful Emma Frost to the E spot. Going to Juice. What about Emma, though? Emma's always showing it off. Look at Emma. She might as well... The only thing missing in this picture is a pole. Why not do a combo deal, like a 2-for-1 shrimp combo? I'll take 2 off your hands, AJ. You said you had 5 kids. I'll take 2 at a discount. I'll take 2. Turn around and ask the kids in the background which ones are looking for to be which ones are looking for to be moved. Which ones are looking for a new squad. It's all right. My wife will have kids with me one of these days. The youngest one is a Banshee. Wow. Banshee. That's a great description. Kick the little whippersnapper in the line. He'll be in tip-top shape. I actually really like these stickers. The stickers are my favorite. Anybody look at the checklist and see that Creator's Corner? What it's listed under? I would assume it's going to the J spot, but I'm not 100%. Probably CB. Thick boy. Recap. Yes, TJK. Shadowcat, Carnage, Sentinel, and Thor on the stickers. Joseph, Talon, Hunter's, come on now. Hunter's Moon, Jean Grey, Emma Frost, Wreck Rat, X23, Toth, Echo, Magic, Captain America, MODOK on the greens to $4.99. Wong to 88 on the gold. Magic, Bedlam, Chasm, and Gold Goblin on the dark webs to $2.99. And then Madeline Pryor on the dark web to $25. Star-Lord, Sentinel, Ghost Rider, and Shadowcat in descending numbering. Ms. Marvel first in the print on the hollow to 23, which is super duper cool. Yeah, I would think so, yeah. We're gonna double check the checklist. Derek will check it before it gets shipped and sorted and whatever, but believe this will go to the J-Spot, the John Romita Jr. Romana, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Romita. Cover artist for Daredevil. This is his autograph. I think this will go to the J-Spot. Derek will confirm. You're welcome to reach out to shipping@theblez.com if you're curious what ends up happening. Derek will tell you because he's the one that's going to figure it out. He's going to dig into the checklist and he'll make sure, but that probably is going to go to the J-Spot by my best estimation. 2024 Upper Deck Marvel Annual 4-box. Random letter, number 6. Thank you so much for joining. That was the break.